time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, and of course, guys, this has been on uptrend right from this support zone. Each time it touches this support trend line, it goes back up. Okay, and of course, around there, it actually broke out below it and tried to go down a bit, but it didn't go too far because of this support zone. You can see the support zone around there, and it went back up again. So this is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it's still buying. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be GainX 999. Okay, let's check it out together. So this is GainX 999. GainX 999 actually bought till it got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend and got to this region. And of course, because it was unable to go further than this, so it started pulling back each time it gets to the support trend line. Okay, so each time it get there, it goes back up, it get there again, it goes back up. So which means this is still buying right now. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. These have actually been on downtrend right from here, and I made video about this earlier today, and it's been so much on downtrend, and of course it's even sold more than we expected. Okay, so it got to this support zone, played around there for a while, but later on went back down to break out below it, and it is still selling as we speak. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 actually started the downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to this region, tried to pull back up, and of course played around there for a while. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, even though I do not expect it to buy for a very long time because it is just a pullback. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I'm going to put a buy and of course the sell in a bracket. Okay, because once it is done with the pullback, I expect it to sell. Okay, so the next asset is going to be our FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80 that has been on uptrend, broke out from here to buy more, and right now it has gotten to a resistance that has not been able to break out from there, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will buy. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.